Do I look weird?
Act of being an adult, no, not PCT.
I just love my face. Like, look at my 5 head. Guys, I look so good. Look at my big forehead. Hey guys, how are you doing? About to go out. I'm going to be buying a wig. Hi, good evening, good afternoon.
Yeah, please come here, madam.
Yes, please, I'm coming, please. Thank you. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay, let's go. After 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I think I arrived. Hi, good afternoon. Yes, so I wanted to buy the wig as we discussed yesterday. Is it considered as raw hair? Or is it like virgin hair?
It's a virgin hair, super double dry.
How many grams is it? Is it like 400 or 300?
Give me something. Should I bring a scale?
No, guys. I finally went ahead and took a shorter wig because I don't know why, but I did what I did. And now I'm about to go to China Mall to buy some fake wood wallpaper to put on the bed, my future bed. And then afterwards I might do my nails. Let's see. Morning today is very packed. Okay, so what I want to do today is basically to firstly go and do my hair. I need to wash them, have a treatment, and do another setup all back. Then I'm going to do my brows. I want to get my brows laminated. It's the first time ever I'm going to do that, and hopefully it's going to turn out well. Then I'm going to get a wax, okay? And then afterwards I'm supposed to have my wig installed. I bought a wig 2 days ago, and I'm so excited about it. What I'm going to do now is to undo my all backs. Being in Ghana and being in a country or being in a place where having your hair done is cheaper from your hometown. To be honest, now that I think about it, it might be like 20% cheaper, but yet it's still cheaper. I feel like I'm not touching my hair that much. I'm not, taking care of my hair that much. And so what I want to do now is basically just to put some serum in my hair, on my hair. This serum is supposed to, I think it has helped with my hair growth. I've been a natural girly for quite some years. Like I've not relaxed my hair in a decade or more than a decade. At the beginning of my natural hair journey, I was very adamant about doing my hair myself. Anyway, so I just want to unravel this hair, able to enjoy my afro for I don't know, like 15 minutes.
I mean, just a sidebar to question. Nobody's getting saved by the fact that you're not getting some. Act of being an adult, no, not PCT.
Boys and girls.
Hello all. How's the bounce feeling this week?
The bounce still has a cold,
Really?
so these are the challenges.
I have a cold too.
Considering relocation, says, hey Joanna, can you please help me because my chest is currently doing bim bim.
Which is like, I wonder how old. Yeah, it's like after you do this a couple times.
No, he really had no plans to tell her if she didn't find out. She had a horrible outburst, and my dad actually had her arrested, which is what led to us leaving the city we're in. Anyway, we struggled when we got to the other city, and when she made it clear that she felt a way that her brother was going to see her dad got upset and has threatened to cut her off financially, and that's going to affect her negatively. So what should she do?
Oh wow.
That's deep.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm done with undoing this hair. I think, yeah, my hair grew. I'm going to pack it like a pony. I just love my face, Okay, so this is all the hair I lost in 3 weeks. I think it's a lot. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, oh my god, like look at my 5 head. Now what I'm going to do is to take a shower and get ready to for this day. See you. Hey guys, so I'm done getting ready. Plan now is to actually go to fit salon and have my all bags, and then have a treatment, have my all bags, and then go to my brow appointment and have my brows laminated. And then afterwards, I need to do what again? I need to get my wax, and then I'm going to have this wig installed on me. I was invited to a potluck. I'm so happy about it, and I'm going to make a French dish. And yeah, like my Uber is here in 2 minutes. I think I do have everything that I need. Let's go! Okay, so I'm done with the hair salon and my face is looking like but the thing is that I wanted to wear a wig on top of it, but this is actually a hairstyle and this is so neat. I don't need to put a wig on it. So now I'm going to be waiting for my Uber and let's go. Okay, I arrived to do my waxing. Hi, good afternoon. I have an appointment, but I'm a bit early. Yeah, but I don't know if I want a side part or middle part, so
It can be changed.
yeah.
You can give me 10 minutes.
No worries, thank you. Guys, I look so good. Look at my big forehead. Hey guys, I am back home and I'm just so happy about this hair. It really does suit me and I'm very happy to have decided to do the middle part instead of the side part. This lace is not a HD lace obviously, and as you can see, we can see the lace. So that's why I think that to have it as a middle part is going to be the go-to. I went back home quite some time ago and I started and I'm already cooking the quiche that I'm making. I'd forgotten to buy bacon. As soon as I go back home, I decided to order turkey ham as well as beef ham. Not beef ham, no, turkey bacon and beef bacon, because I don't know if there are some people that might be Muslim, I don't know, and it's more inclusive that way. And now I'm literally just eating for the first time in the day now some like full wings. I'm so hungry. The potluck is supposed to be at 5. Obviously I'm never going to make it at 5. I want to finish to cook this quiche, want to eat a bit and then start my makeup. I don't want to do crazy, I don't want to do too much, especially since I am sick. I don't know if you can hear it, but I don't know, like since literally yesterday at the office there was an AC that we switched on, and as soon as we switched it on I knew I would be sick. Like it was so dry, like I felt like it took all the good health I had in my body. Now I took this drug, and this drug I had it, I firstly bought it in Nigeria. It's called Flucor Day, and the way it worked so much when I was in Lagos. Again, it was an AC that made me sick. I took it literally like for a day and then I was not sick anymore. And then now I've taken 3 since yesterday. I've taken 1 yesterday evening, 1 this morning, and 1 like an hour ago. And I think I'm going to take 1 in 2 hours and then 1 before sleeping. And hopefully by God's grace, tomorrow I'm feeling better. Because I do not like traveling when I'm sick, especially not dry, like in a dry environment, just like planes. Such as planes. So hopefully it's okay. Yeah, I'll see you later. This thing got me thinking of a life. Oh, I can't explain. We always get to Ethiopia. I say I do money just. I roll plenty billion fast. I'm on a delay. guys, I'm ready. I'm so happy. The look is okay. I don't think it's too much. I don't think I'm going to take my camera because I actually do not know anyone there. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I am back from the outing. Do I look weird? It was very nice. I really enjoyed my time. It was extremely nice. It just feels good to be socializing, I would say. As you can hear, I'm a bit sick. I've taken the drugs I've shown earlier on. I took another one now. Hopefully tomorrow I feel better. I'm not going to stay up that not like this late tonight since I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm very tired. I'm going to take a shower and then sleep because there's also this thing about this week since it's very new, like it's very like compressing my forehead, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't help. Nothing I hate most in this life than feeling myself getting sick. No, like feeling myself falling sick, and you're like, oh la la, like there's no point of return. I'm just saying like my passport, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.